is new. This is how you wrap this. We use the TI box to plug in things like musical instruments and other things that don't have XLR inputs. So this side goes to XLR and gets plugged into our system. This side uses these cables. Use the inputs, the ground lift. This plugs into your cell phone or laptop. HDMI cables provide high definition video. PGA cables provide standard definition video. You can plug into either computer 1 or computer 2. This is wrong because it is a safety hazard. People will trip on it. This part is still a trip hazard. This is gaff tape. Start at the wall. When picking up cords with gaff tape, always remove the gaff tape before you pick up the cord. Otherwise, this happens. If in the ballroom or anything, you can use one of our rugs instead of gaff tape. Just make sure that it covers up most of the cord that people are walking on. If the projector needs to be in this position, you need to use an extension cord. This is an extension cord. It extends the cable so you can make a safe environment. All other taping and carpet placements can be used here.